H2Boat want to change completely the nautical sector, and we want to do that using the hydrogen technology. What we want to bring on board is a new way to live, a new experience, but introducing a new ethical way, considering the environment as the most important thing when you are living on board. The most cool thing is the integration of the metal hydrogen storage system in the keel. This way we are able to store large amount of hydrogen in a place that is safe and where the weight can be exploited to stabilize the boat. We also integrate fuel cells and an electrolyzer on board that will enable you to produce your own hydrogen using renewable energies. And when we thought about the partners, we were looking for somebody that was passionate with innovation and sustainability. And when you think about sailing technology, you talk about B&G. We know that the research and innovation are at the core of the B&G product. Since 50 years, B&G is providing technology for race and cruise sailboats. And this is the reason why we were so excited to work with them. Thanks to the command solution of B&G, we are able to display on the screen all the main parameters of the energy pack, like the power that is produced, the hydrogen that is still left on the tank. We are also able to control and see the renewable power that is produced by renewable sources, and we can decide to transform this energy into hydrogen and refill our tank.